Today I'm taking a look at the SK 9-inch Ironworkers pliers. So it is a little darker than that on the green. It is about, right about there is what the green looks like. So it's a kind of a dark green, which I actually really like. You can see that these are dipped and there is a little bit of space in there. But these do hold on, which is very important. Do not like grips that come off. You can also see that that is spring loaded, so it will automatically return. We can see the teeth are cross cuts. These are diamond cut teeth. And we have a fairly good looking blade on there. And no light passes through. The pivot point is nice and solid. It is a very, very small amount of wiggle in it. We can see it does have this slight bend in here, so if you're going to be using these as intended, so Ironworker pliers are typically used for tying wire together around rebar, this is going to give you that extra bit of leverage so that you can kind of pry that wire over if you need to. I do like to see that we have a fairly thick body on here, so if we need to use this thing as a hammer, we can do that, and it is perfectly flat on both sides. So the thing I always want to check on a good blade is, can it cut through a stainless steel screw? So it was a little tougher than I was expecting, but it did get through it. And it looks like some of the coating did strip off, but the blade itself is still in good condition.
Yeah, pretty comfortable to use. I'm happy with that.